How to fix Valorant. Please restart your client. Here's it, how to fix this problem. 62. And if you want to fix it, it's easy. Type here Windows Update Settings. Make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and now let's move to the next method. Type here Services. Right click, Run as administrator. Scroll down until you find VGC. Here's it. Right click on VGC and click Properties. After that you will find like that. Make it automatic and then click Start. Apply and OK. After that open your Windows. You will find it like that. Wait, like that. Now once you're here, all you need to do just click Virus and Threat Protection, manage settings and turn off real-time protection, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.